What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to an update on my last analysis on Vita Inu, or Vinu, that's the abbreviation. Which I wanted to do an update on because it has continued to be very bullish. Last analysis I said something like this was going to happen, and if you don't, I'd say that was pretty accurate. Obviously, I'm not going to pretend like I expected this move. I'm just not, because I didn't. But I did think we could get a higher high all the way up here and then from there maybe continue it. And if you don't believe me, as I said, you can just look up the past analysis. I think it was from 2 days ago. That was my analysis then, and since then, last 24 hours, we have gone up by 50%, increasing our total bull run percentage from this bottom up to 250%. So first of all, congratulations if you made money on that. Be careful if you try to make money on it right now. There is still money to be made, but whether that's going long or going short, I'll leave that up to you. But if we take a look at the statistics, I mean 6.5 million in volume is not that much. Compared to the market cap of 16 million, which is also not a lot, it's quite high though. That market cap about a day ago was still under 10 million, I think, if we check it out right here. Yeah, the market cap was under 10 million not too long ago, and the volume was even lower not too long ago at around 1 million. All right, so the statistics are actually looking great. To me, to actually get into the analysis, to me, what is the most important thing to do right now is that over the course of today, we actually did lose some momentum. You can see that we touched this level here around 47,000. That's what I'm naming the prices as. And where we first held this level at 40,000, which is a psychological level, those levels are always very important with runs like these. And where we first held 40,000, now we have actually dropped down below that and went to the 0.5 FIB. Where we first held the 382 FIB, we now drop down to the 0.5 FIB. When that is happening, usually that's not that good of a news. There's still bullish momentum, I think, for Vita Inu. But if we want to get to my next price target, which would be around 50,000, a very strong psychological resistance level, what we would need to do, I think, is we need to close all the way above here, above this 236 FIB. If we can close above that level, I think we can get to 50,000. But we would really need to do that within the next 36 hours. So for the next day and a half, we need to do this. And if we don't do that, unfortunately, what I'm expecting, and I could be wrong about that, of course, probably a lot of you are going to be disagreeing with me, but if we don't close above 42,000 within the next 1.5 days, I think we're dropping down all the way to 30,000. And from there, I'll see again. I think from 30,000, we do have a chance to get another bull run. But in all fairness, I think it's more likely that we'll drop down all the way to this 25,000 level right here. Over the long term, I mean, or in the next 2 weeks, that would happen then. That's not going to happen that fast, but I do want to advise you to be careful, because when bull runs like these happen with very low market caps, there's a big chance for manipulation, all right? So we could actually shoot up all the way to 50,000 and then drop down to 30,000. So that's the main point. Be careful. If we break above 42,000 quickly, I think we can actually get a new all-time high. But if we don't do that and we break down below 36,000, we have as a support here, we're probably dropping down to 30,000 and to 25,000 in the next week. So that's my takes and my insight on Vita Inu for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to discuss those with me or ask them down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.